This is a short video of the registration procedure for Global Intergold. To start the registration procedure, go to www.gig-os.com. The platform is available in several languages. Step 1. This is the first registration form that needs to be filled. This is the first step in the registration process. And this is where you create a UID, user identification, with a password linked to your email address. Attention! In the next field, after you entered your email address, you need to enter the reference number or UID number of the person who invited you, or use the email with the reference link that you received from them. Then select the two checkboxes and finally click on Get Started. This completes the initial part of the registration process. As a confirmation of the completion of the initial registration process, you will receive this confirmation message. Step 2. This is the more detailed part of the registration process. Here are the further fields needed for additional identification. Your first names and family name as stated in passport or on your ID card. At nickname, you give yourself a name. This will be the same as seen on the platform. Your gender, date of birth, country of residence, city of residence, and your current address. For example, Old Brampton Road 112, SW5 9HW, London. Write all on the same line separated by commas. Your phone number, country code and phone number, then check everything and finally click on Get Started. This completes the additional part of the registration process. As a confirmation of the completion of the initial registration process, you will receive a confirmation message. My profile. This is an overview of all the data that you have provided. You have the possibility to add a picture here. This is optional. You can click on Save, but nothing will happen and you cannot change anything here. This is an information screen and the Save button has no use. Attention! After saving your personal information and you discover that you made a mistake or the information is not correct or you want to change anything, you can only have this corrected by sending a request for change to the customer support. My documents. You are asked to upload your passport. Click on the plus sign and upload the photo or scan of your passport. Attention, you need to make a scan or take a photo that shows the entire passport, so all corners and edges. Better a bit too big than too small. In this case, under document type, leave passport. Under document number, enter the number of your passport. Under issue date, enter the date of issue of your passport. Under expiration date, fill in the date valid until. Under country of issue, you select the issuing country out of the drop-down list. As a last step, click on Save and Proceed. And once again, you'll get a confirmation of the successful submission of the passport information. You are required to upload a document proving that you live at the address that you have provided. It's called the proof of address. Attention, you must make a scan or take a photo. Make sure the entire document is visible. All corners and edges, better a bit too big than too small. Under document type, you must make a selection of the type of document or account you're going to upload. It can be a phone bill, utility bill, bank statement, etc. Under country of issue, select the country where the document or account statement was issued, the one that you are about to use. Under issue date, fill in the date of the document or account in question. Finally, click Save and Proceed. And after this, once again, you'll get a confirmation of the successful submission of the address document. After you have uploaded both documents, passport and address details, you need to start the verification process. This is done by clicking on the orange link, Send Documents for Verification. You will get a confirmation of the successful submission of the documents. You can follow the status of the verification process if you click on My Documents in the menu on the left of the screen. Activating your GOS crypto wallet. The gig platform uses blockchain technology to send value back and forth between users and for internal payment and settlement. This is an internal payment system. For this purpose, a so-called stable crypto coin, GOS, has been created. This GOS coin is linked to a wallet. The GOS coin has a fixed value of 50 euros. The first step after the registration process is to create this GOS wallet. You do this by clicking on the link Proceed. The second step is to click on the link Create a new wallet. During the creation of the GOS wallet, a so-called private key is created. A private key works in the same way as a password. It consists of a series of letters and numbers and allows you to access your crypto wallet. The third step is the confirmation that your crypto wallet is created and ready for use. Your GOS crypto wallet. After clicking OK in the previous step, you will see this screen. The top line after GOS wallet address is your private key, and it's always 42 positions long and consists of numbers and letters, as mentioned before. Each user of the gig platform has his own unique key and can be used to send and transfer GOS to each other without using banks. Every transaction takes place in seconds and without any costs involved, unlike with banks. On this screen, you can see the buttons for sending and receiving GOS and the available GOS currency at that moment in your wallet. We will discuss the Get GOS Coin part in more detail in another manual. This is mainly about feeding the wallet via crypto or via the traditional bank transfer. This concludes the registration procedure. Thank you for watching.